Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the most important topic, that is underfitting and overfitting. I will give you the layman examples so you will have the very good understanding about these two topics. So let's start with the overfitting. For example, you are my student. I ask you to prepare for the exam. You are taking the coaching from me since a long time. It's a time to test you now. So the content I have provided you to prepare for your exam, you have memorized that content, right? Now the exam day comes. You perform very well on the questions which is from your that content what I have provided you for the preparation, because you memorized it. But I have added some peak questions as well. I have added some 2 or 3 new questions, but it is not from your out of syllabus. It is from your syllabus, but I have tweaked it. So what will happen? You are not able to answer those questions. So this is also you can assume it as a new test data for you. So this is called overfitting. Why it happens? Because you only memorize the content what I have provided. You did not try to understand the logic and the concept in a general way. This is same with the model in technical terms. Okay, if your model is learning too much from the training data, it is not try to understand the relationship between the feature, then it become too specific and it will only predict the correct things if you are giving the same input to the model when you are testing it. If you give the slightly different new data to your model, it will fail. That's why it's called overfitting. Now we will continue with the underfitting topic with the same example. Again, I ask you to start preparing for the exam. But you are a kind of a student like you have barely studied. You have only just understand the few topics. Let's say out of 30 questions, you only study the 10 questions. Now in the exam, you got failed. Right? So you did not perform well on the training, and even I have added the tweak questions, you did not perform well on that as well. So this is called underfitting. If we connect it with the model in technical terms, again, your model has you can say less data, right? Because model has only try to train itself with the 10 questions. So it was not able to understand even the relationship between the feature. So it did not perform well on the training data and it got failed. Same with the test data. So this was the major difference between overfitting and underfitting. And if you have still any question, feel free to ask me, and you can drop a comment in the comment box. And don't forget